Assalamu alaikum class. Today we started the disorders of nervous system. So that what is disorders of nervous system? There are two types of disorders of nervous system. First is vascular disorder and the second one is the functional disorder. And the vascular disorder, it is related to the abnormality of the blood vessels. Due to the any abnormality function in the blood vessels is known as the vascular disorders. Or functional disorders means impair normally body functions, any type of body functions which cannot perform properly, then the disorder is caused, and this disorder is known as the functional disorders. So the examples of the vascular disorder is the paralysis, and the functional disorder is the epilepsy. Firstly, we started or discuss about the paralysis. So paralysis is the example of the vascular disorder. During the vascular disorder, we see that it is the abnormality of the blood vessels, so that the blood supply through blood vessels cannot be performed properly, so that paralysis can be occurred. First of all, the major definition of paralysis is to loss of the function by one or more group of muscles which cannot perform the properly function. Then this stage is known as the paralysis. And paralysis is due to the reason of paralysis is damage. Paralysis can be caused any damage in the brain and the spinal cord. So this due to the any stroke. And what is stroke? Rupture in blood vessels, or in scientifically way, stroke means burst any type of aneurysm. So that this is paralysis due to the damage in the brain and the spinal cord due to the any type of the stroke. And stroke, the rupture of the blood vessels. So these can be brain and the spinal cord abnormality due to the. So these are caused, and this is known as the paralysis. Through this, blood clotting can also lead to the paralysis. Poison produced by the polio virus, so that in the childish stage, when the parents do not take the proper polio vaccines to their child, so that their polio virus can also lead to the paralysis. And the symptoms of the paralysis may be throughout the body, or maybe one part of the body or one side of the body. But it may also be lead at the extremities. The four limbs means whole body cover during the paralysis. So this can be throughout the body, four limbs only, or maybe the one side of the body can be damaged due to the paralysis. This is all about the paralysis. And then the epilepsy. Epilepsy is the functional disorder, means nerve impulse, when the nerve impulse do not perform the properly functions, so that this disorder is happening, and this is known as the epilepsy, in which abnormal and excessive discharge of the nerve impulses in the brain happening. Means बहुत ज़्यादा नर्व इम्पल्सेस जो हैं वो डिस्चार्ज उनका होना शुरू हो जाता है. डिस्चार्ज कहाँ पर? ब्रेन में, जिसकी वजह से जो प्रॉब्लम पोज होती है उसे कहते हैं एपिलेप्सी. ड्यूरिंग द एपिलेप्सी पेशेंट कॉजेज द अनप्रोवोक्ड सीजर्स, मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा झटके लगना शुरू हो जाते हैं. बट these seizures of the epilepsy is a temporary abnormal state of the brain which made by the different types of convolutions, so that the symptoms is known is the unprovoked seizures. In the young ages, if a person faces in a young ages epilepsy, then it may be the genetic cause or any developmental stage, means the changes or any abnormality during the developmental stages, so that it is happening due to the genetic and the developmental stages in the young man. But after the age of the 40 years, it can be caused due to the any type of the tumor or any type of the different types of traumas, like the head injury and the infections, nervous disorder infections. These are all leads towards the epilepsy. So all these symptoms are faced during the epilepsy. The major symptom is the unprovoked seizure. There is no basic treatment of epilepsy cannot be discovered, but one thing, the unprovoked seizures can be controlled due to the different types of medicines, and the patients take the proper and the daily basis medicines for the prevention of the seizures, so that the drugs which are used for the epilepsy treatment of epilepsy is the anticonvulsant drugs or anti-epileptic drugs. These drugs are known as the anticonvulsant and anti-epileptic drugs. So this is all about the epilepsy. Students, today we discuss about the disorders of the nervous system. Two type of disorders: vascular disorder and the functional disorder. Vascular disorder. In vascular disorder, we see the paralysis, and due to the abnormality of the blood vessel, vascular disorders can be happen. And in functional disorder, we see the epilepsy, and due to the any type of the body functioning in abnormality or the nerve impulses abnormality leads towards the epilepsy. See your book class. These blue boxes. In this blue box, वो कहते हैं कि जब किसी को मिर्गी के झटके लग रहे होते हैं ना, तो उसकी फेस पर कोई ना कोई चीज़ नहीं रखनी चाहिए, माउथ पे कोई चीज़। क्यों? क्योंकि उसके झटके लगने की वजह से कोई इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है, उसी के वो मतलब कि बहुत ज़्यादा गया उसकी टंग पर बाइट हो सकती है, अपनी ही टंग पर वो बाइट भी कर सकता है। ये सारे प्रिकॉशंस हैं। और इसके अलावा वो कहते हैं कि हमें नर्वस डिसऑर्डर्स को क्योर करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए कि हमें नर्वस सिस्टम की कंपोजिशन, उनके फंक्शनिंग को बहुत अच्छे से हमें पता होना चाहिए। इससे हम क्या करेंगे, हम नर्वस सिस्टम के जो भी डिसऑर्डर्स हैं, उनमें जो भी फैक्टर्स हैं या जो भी रिसेप्टर्स हैं, उन सबको हम बेसिकली जब हम स्टडी अच्छे से कर लेंगे तो हमें पता होगा किस पार्ट ने किस तरह से फंक्शनिंग करनी है और हमें किस तरह से इनको क्योर करना है। सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट टुडे लेक्चर। थैंक यू क्लास।